Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with cold tap water and measure 4 quarts of water per pound of pasta, or 1 liter per 100 g for smaller batches. This prevents clumping and maintains temperature. Bring water to a rolling boil, then add 1 tablespoon of salt per 4 quarts to season the pasta internally. Add the pasta, stir immediately and again after 30 seconds to separate strands or shapes. Follow the package time for al dente, typically 8 to 10 minutes. Taste at the lower end, then drain in a colander. Before you drain, reserve 1 cup of the starchy cooking water to loosen or thicken sauce as needed. This liquid binds sauce to pasta. Drain the pasta but do not rinse. Transfer pasta directly into the pan with your sauce and finish cooking together over low heat for 60 to 90 seconds so flavors marry and starch thickens the sauce. If sauce looks dry, add reserved water a little at a time. Enrich with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or 2 tablespoons of butter, toss, then serve. Serve pasta hot on warm dishes to preserve texture. Immediately toss with sauce so every strand is coated. Top each plate with 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly grated cheese or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and add cracked pepper or herbs to taste. Leftovers store well in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Reheat gently with a splash of reserved pasta water to revive the sauce. Always taste at the end and adjust salt or acid, such as lemon or vinegar, before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.